I have one cousin named same Arafat.
Oh, you both have the same name.
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you like to do in your free time, Arafat?
I like to learn English and many things.
He is doing well এবং ও নিয়মিত প্রেজেন্টেশন দেয় আমাদেরকে লাস্ট কয়টা প্রেজেন্টেশন দিয়েছো বাবা
10, 15.
10 to 15 presentation দিয়েছে and he is quite good. Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, and this is a wonderful boy named Arafat. You see his cute face, right? So Arafat, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Okay, so can you just tell me your full name?
My name is Arafat.
Okay, your name is a one word, like only Arafat, or you have the full name?
I also have a full name. It's
Okay.
Muhammad Arafat Hussain Araf.
Arafat Hussain Araf. Araf is also a wonderful name. So what class do you read in?
I read in class 3.
Class 3. What's your school name?
My school name is Gajipur Cantonment Board High School.
Okay, that's great. Do you like doing class at Talent Hut?
Yes, very much.
Very much. Okay. So at present time, who is your teacher?
In present time, Badon sir is my teacher.
Do you like Badan sir?
Yes.
Okay. What did you learn today? Can you just tell me in your class what did you learn today?
I learned parts of speech and tense today.
Okay. So that was the fun learning?
Yes.
Okay. So just can you tell me how did you practice over there? Your Badan sir said and you repeat after him something like this way?
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. So now let's talk about your family. How many family members do you have?
I have 4 family members, including me.
Okay. So can you just tell your family members' introduction to us, into our audience, like your father's name, mother's name, and if you have any sibling or not?
My name is Muhammad Arafat Hussain Araf. My father's name is Muhammad Saiful Islam. My mother's name is Mrs. Aki Akhtar, and I have a grandma.
You have a grandma. Oh, okay. So you are the only son of your parents, right?
Yes, yes,
Do you have any cousin?
yes. I have one cousin named same Arafat.
Oh, you both have the same name.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you like to do in your free time, Arafat?
I like to learn English and many things.
What games do you like to play?
Cricket, football.
Okay, this is the time for World Cup. Do you have any favorite team?
Yes,
What's your favorite team?
Portugal, but it lost.
Oh, very unfortunate. Okay, no problem. Hopefully next week we will see that Portugal will win the match. Then why do you like Portugal?
Because there is Ronaldo.
There is Ronaldo. So you like Ronaldo, right?
Yes.
Okay. So did you wear the jersey of Portugal?
Yes.
Okay, right. So let's talk about your friends. How many friends do you have in your school?
I have 2 friends in my school.
Okay. And what is their name? Can you introduce them to our audience?
Their name is Rafin and Ryan.
Rafit and Ryan. Okay. Great. So do you like to play with them?
Yes.
So what games do you like to play with them?
I play hide and seek with them.
Hide and seek with them. Okay. That's great. And what's your future plan? What's your dream? Do you have any dream?
I want to become a footballer in my future.
Oh, you want to be a footballer.
Yes.
So do you play football?
Yes.
Okay. Whom do you play with?
I play with my mother and father.
Okay. So your mom also play football with you
Yes.
at your home?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Great. Great. Thank you very much. Thank you. That was really very wonderful conversation with you. For the audience, I would like to say that Arafat is been doing the class here for maybe nearly about 4 to 5 months. So he's doing well. এবং ও নিয়মিত প্রেজেন্টেশন দেয় আমাদেরকে লাস্ট কয়টা প্রেজেন্টেশন দিয়েছো বাবা
10, 15.
10 to 15 প্রেজেন্টেশন দিয়েছে and he is quite good. So সবাই একটু ওর জন্য দোয়া করবেন যাতে ওকে আমরা ভালো জায়গায় নিতে পারি এবং ওর ইংরেজিও যথেষ্ট আর প্রথম দিকে বলতেই পারতো না বাট এখন ইংরেজি আগের চাইতে অনেক বেটার বলতে পারে এখন খুব বেসিক কিছু কোয়েশ্চেন করেছি বাট অ্যাডভান্স লেভেলের যে বিষয়গুলো সেগুলো আমরা এখনো শেখাই নেই একটু সময় লাগবে সেগুলো শেখানোর পর আবার আরাফাতকে নিয়ে আমরা একটা ভিডিও করব সো উইল ইউ কাম ইন দ্য ভিডিও अगेन
Yes.
ওকে সো দেন সে এভরিওয়ান থ্যাংক ইউ
Thank you.
And please share my video with everyone.
And please share my video with everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.